My top 5 stocks for April. Hello everyone and welcome back to long-term investing with me, Antoaneta, and you can call me even Tony. In today's video, I'll give you my top 5 choices for April. And if you watch this video until the end, I'll also throw in a couple of additional suggestions as usual. Just a quick reminder to like, share and leave a comment if you enjoy my content and want to help the channel grow. So, my top 5 picks for this month are Disney, D-I-S, Pinterest, P-I-N-S, Attlasian, T-E-A-M, and not to be surprised, but Rightmove, RMV. Why? Because I still live in UK and I really want to start giving a chance to some of the UK company. Ecolab, E-C-L. So, let's begin with Disney. DIS. Despite taking a 22% revenue hit from the lockdowns, Disney, ticker symbol DIS, is looking really promising. Quick rundown. Parks and experiences, which made up nearly 46% of Disney's operating profit for 2019, are slowly starting to reopen, and the numbers are expected to rise in the not too distant future. Disneyland is scheduled to reopen on April 30 at 15 to 35% capacity. But Disney has a lot more to offer than just parks. Their streaming services, Hulu, Disney Plus, ESPN Plus and Disney Plus Hotstars, are performing really extremely well, with Disney Plus recently breaking the 100 million subscriber mark. Speaking of diversification, Disney also managed to strike a 7-year deal with the NHL and NFL, allowing it to deliver sports content to its subscribers. Financial stats. Current price is 190.31 today, plus 1.81 change, which is plus 0.96%. Market cap is 344.348 billion. Why I like Disney? Disney is a well-diversified company supported by numerous high-value franchises. Between the scheduled reopening of their entertainment parks, the excellent growth of their streaming services and additional sports content, I believe that Disney has a huge future. Next up comes Pinterest, ticker symbol P-I-N-S. I find myself talking about Pinterest more and more with each passing month, and I'm not the only one. Between the surge of new users and the increased interest from advertisers, things are really looking up for the social platform. Pinterest is currently boasting over 495 million monthly average users, along with an increase of over 60% in the number of active catalogs for 2020. Shoppability has grown 20 times, and advertisers are flocking to the platform. Financial stats. Current price is 83.09, plus 3.56, plus 4.48% just today on 6th of April. Market cap is 52.367 billion. Why I like Pinterest? Pinterest is mostly known as an inspirational platform. It is a place where users come to look for ideas instead of products. This provides advertisers with a lot more flexibility and allows them to influence purchase decisions from the get-go. On the top of driving revenue, the majority of the platform's profits comes from advertisements. This also presents a robust competitive moat, and it makes me very hopeful for the future of Pinterest. Let's move to Attlasian, ticker symbol TEAM. It's a cloud-based team tool, including some of their products are Trello and Jira, and quite few more. This type of tech has enjoyed a lot of explosion during the lockdowns. There is no reason to believe that businesses will switch away from the convenience presented by remote work tools once the situation relaxes. For 2019, Attlasian demonstrated a 37% revenue growth, followed by 33% in 2020. The company is currently focusing on user acquisition and improvement implementations without showing any signs of slowing down. The current price is 223.06, market cap 55.77 billions. So it is quite impressive, and I think we can see a lot of growth in this company in the near future. I start adding a little bit from this company, and I'm planning to add in the next few months to build a good positions with this company. So let's move to my third company. It's a Rightmove, RMV. And this is it's gonna be my second company that I am investing here in UK. The first one I invested 2 years ago, and it's done really well. It's a company involving with some recycling, and I'm quite pleased because you know that I'm an eco warrior. So I invested in a company that actually brought me 300+% just for 2 years, and I'm completely really happy. So I decided that it's time to start looking back to some UK companies. Now the Rightmove company, let's just move to the ticker symbol is RMV, and is a largest real estate portal. The company boasts an impressive 77% market share and hosts over 1 million property advertisements. And the financial stats are: the price today is 601.60, market cap is 5 billions, and PE ratio is 47.75, and EPS is 12.60. Now the dividend, they've got a very small dividend, but still something, 0.76%. Why I like Rightmove? Back in 2015, I wanted to create a separate portfolio dedicated to UK companies. However, I had to put this plan on hold because of Brexit, and along with a couple of additional minor inconveniences. So I end up focusing on the US and Canada instead. Now, 5 years later, I've decided that it's time for me to return to UK market. And Rightmove seems like the perfect stock for that. Their service is very user-friendly. For me, it's flexible and more affordable than the conventional competition, newspapers, magazines and the likes. In the future, it's even half as digital as it seems. Then Rightmove is definitely the future of real estate sales for the UK. Let's move to my fifth company, which is Ecolab, ECL. And this is a company that is an US-based environmental solutions company that develops and distributes water treatment, energy efficiency and cleaning technology. Their revenue in 2020 suffered a minor blow because of the lockdowns, but their products are in a high demand, especially given the present circumstances, which makes me optimistic about their future. Current price is 220.82, and you can see that only today is plus 0.89%. The market cap is 63 billions. PE ratio at the moment is not showing on Yahoo Finance. EPS is minus 4.15, but you've got a dividend as well, which is great, 1.92 and 0.88%. Is absolutely amazing that we can still receive some dividends. Why I like Ecolab? My passion for green living and sustainability aside, I have a very good reasons to believe that Ecolab will continue growing. Between the stricter hygienic standards and the increased demand for sustainable products, I think Ecolab will have no shortage of clients moving forward. So what about you? What do you think? Let me know in the comments down below. And because you stay with me till the end of my video, and before we wrap it up for today, I really want to give you few of my bonus stocks, as I promised. I'll definitely keep adding of IDEX. You can just go back and check my previous videos, specifically about IDEX. I will add some more on Fiverr. Definitely Zoom. I'm a big fan of Zoom. Definitely Tattoo Chefs. Canadian Solar. I've been adding since last summer, and I used some to add a little bit more when they had a big dip last month. And Lemonade is another one that I've been adding as well. And another favorite job is Shopify. So all this I've been adding in the last 2 weeks, and definitely will continue adding in this month as well. So if you want to consider them, you please do your own research. You have to be confident when you want to invest. You don't follow my advice. It's only my experience. I'm not a financial advisor. I only share my experience and my knowledge with you, but you need to do your own diligence. Just to do definitely your own research. And yes, I'm keeping an eye on the prices of all of them, but I'm mostly focused on the Lemonade at the moment and on the Shopify. But definitely I added a little bit from IDEX and Tattoo Chefs. And if you've been following my channel for some time, you should already be familiar with all of these companies. And if you've missed some of the videos, I will leave a couple of links in the comment section down below. So I really hope you enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to let me know by hitting the thumbs up button and sharing it with your friends. If you have any ideas or requests for future videos, don't hesitate to drop me a line in the comments section. Thank you for being with me. Until next time, stay very motivated. I'll see you soon.